have Dr. Zikun here with us, and we have also Arzu and Dr. Daniel Ferro. Okay.
So the first project we're proposing at the moment is a large language model for university regulations. The purpose of this project is to, automate and streamline access to university policies using advanced large language models. So I will give you some instructions about how to use large language models, local large language models on your PCs. Firstly, we highly recommend you to use local large language model, which is OLAMA. And what you need to do is to go to the website on the left bottom side, and you can see the link olama.com, and just download the OLAMA software on your PC. And after that, you need to open the software and keep it opening when you use the large language model locally. And you need to select your model from the library, which is in the link provided. And you need to try to run it locally. Firstly, you need to select one model. The model you select is depends on your specification of your PC. For example, we got two kinds of specifications in our lab. First one, we have 3070 NVIDIA graphic card, and the other one is should be 3090, which are over there. First two lines of computers. And for higher specification, you can run higher parameter or the models with larger parameters. For example, like 14 billion, 32 billion. It depends on your the specification of the PCs you are using, and try to learn how to run it locally according to the GitHub repository description provided. And another thing is that we hope you to run your large language model on Jupyter Notebook or Google Colab. So you need to learn some frameworks for running large language model. I recommend 3, but you can select others. The first one is called Haystack. Haystack is like a pipeline. It will teach you how to input your profiles into your documents into the large language model, and how to prompt the large language model to generate answers you want. And the other two are LangChain and Camel AI respectively. You can choose others if you want, but if you want to use these models, please just visit the links and try to learn. You got plenty of time to learn. I believe it describes very well, so you can learn by yourself. It's what the hackathon means. Thanks. And the next one should be the second project, Arzu or Danny.
While you're moving around outside. But if you want to go out there and get some images, generate your own training data, that might be an idea. Just avoid including people in the pictures if they don't consent to appear in them, but that should be fine. The campus isn't too busy today. All right, and now for evaluation, let me hand over to Arzu.
Okay guys, so I'm going to talk briefly about how we are going to evaluate. So we are 4 faculty members, so we will be grading your work when you present it. So basically you only have to present your work like a slide deck, and it is going to be a 5 minutes presentation, so don't make too many slides, okay? But the emphasis is not on performance, you know, the accuracy of your model or other things. It is good that you get good performance, good accuracy, but at the same time we want to see your creativity, your innovation, and your problem solving skills, and how did you do your teamwork. So you can assign one person for making this presentation parallelly when you're working on your projects. And 4 to 6 slides should be enough for this 5 minutes time. So primarily you should be focusing on your model, your algorithm, whatever you have developed. You can give a brief description of your model, what parameters you chose and why did you choose them, and how did you tune them, and any challenges you faced, how did you address them, what was the innovation that you added to your work, and what creativity, what was that you were most proud of. And you can showcase your results, your model's performance using some visuals, graphs, or images, and you can tell what went well and what didn't. Additionally, you can show some demos, some screenshots of your work, some code architecture like a flow diagram or something. So brownie points here, basically we will be probably giving extra marks to people who are using some risk-taking approach. So basically you're adding some risk to your modeling approach and how you handled it. Then if you added some explainability to your model, have you added any user experience, additional extra efforts you made to improve the user experience, and have you considered the ethical considerations and all those things. So I know it would be difficult to present everything in 5 minutes, so you can Google micro presentations, so which is basically how you present your work in less time. You already know that we are going to be your audience and we are going to evaluate, so you don't have to go into depth of a lot of things because you know what we know, so you can tailor your presentation to the audience, and you can keep it simple. Just stick to the key points and the major things about your project, the things that stand out. You can use visuals, diagrams, charts, and to make it more impressive, I would say. Yeah, that's mostly it. And if you have any questions, we all are here.